You spend your days running from one task to the next, tidying your workspace, reorganizing your calendar, and consuming volumes of self-help content. You fall into bed at night with your muscles tense and your mind buzzing, feeling like you worked incredibly hard. But your actual progress tells a different story. The page is blank, the file is empty, and your big project remains exactly where it was a year ago, inside your head. To the outside world, you are someone with great plans. Internally, you are caught in a cycle of being constantly busy, yet rarely productive. This stagnation often has nothing to do with laziness, bad luck, or a lack of talent. The real obstacle is far more subtle because it disguises itself as a good habit. You are performing a series of highly normalized, quiet rituals that keep you small while making you feel like you're moving forward. Your brain perceives massive goals as a threat to your survival, triggering immediate panic. To find a safe escape, biology selects tasks that mimic work. Consuming self-help is a biological loophole, releasing a burst of dopamine to celebrate fake victories. You research more, watch endless tutorials, compare software, and color code your schedule. This brand of preparation serves as a shelter. It allows you to maintain the theoretical progress of a student while avoiding the messy, high-stakes risks of a practitioner. This avoidance is often justified by a wait for the perfect time. You tell yourself you will begin on Monday, or when things calm down, or when you finally feel ready. Life rarely slows down, and the fear of failure does not naturally fade away. Operating on the assumption that motivation triggers action keeps you stalled. As this flowchart shows, the sequence is actually backwards. The cycle begins with the action itself, which then generates the results needed to build confidence. Pushing a goal to tomorrow carries a heavy psychological cost. Every delay teaches your nervous system that your goals are secondary to your comfort. Waiting for a feeling of readiness erodes your self-respect and reinforces the habit of breaking promises to yourself. For many ambitious people, the root of this behavior is maladaptive perfectionism. In your imagination, your project is a flawless masterpiece, but the moment you sit down to start, you face a clumsy first draft and the reality of being a beginner. Your ego often freezes when faced with this gap. It cannot handle the intense discomfort of looking untalented or average. You unconsciously choose to be judged as lazy rather than be seen as untalented. It feels safer to keep your greatness in the realm of what if than to test it against reality and risk an average result. These high standards act as a cage. They protect the ego from the pain of failing, while ignoring that doing nothing is the ultimate failure. No mentor is coming to pull you out of this cycle, and a passing spark of motivation is too fragile a foundation to build a life on. Moving forward requires a new operational rule. Discipline must beat motivation every single time. First, stop negotiating with distractions. When the urge to check your phone or reorganize your desk hits, acknowledge it. Verbally refuse to negotiate with the urge and return your eyes to the screen. Second, lower the bar until it is ridiculous. Do not try to write a book. Write one bad sentence. Shrinking the task allows you to sneak past your brain's fear-based security system. Third, embrace the garbage. Give yourself permission to produce a terrible first draft. Messy motion creates something you can actually fix. A blank page offers nothing to edit. Being lazy is not your identity. It is a practiced habit of avoidance that has simply gone on too long. Potential left inside your head is useless to the world. Stop drawing maps, step into the woods, and take one messy action right now.